Good morning and welcome to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to be taking you outside with me as I do some work on my very small front porch. I don't have a lot of space, so there won't be a lot for me to do, but I'm going to take you along. And this video is a part of an open collaboration that is called Clean and Decorate with Me Fall Front Porch Decor, that's hosted by Michelle over at Myeverydaywifelife. Now I'm going to be linking Michelle's channel in the description box as well as the playlist so that you can see how all of the other lovely creators and Michelle decorate their porch for the season. Now, as I said, my porch is very small, so I don't have a lot to do here. This flower is hanging on by a thread, but I think I'm going to go ahead and let her stay out there, give her a little bit of care and see how long she stays out there. And then on that stand back there is my lovely lemonade, is what I call her. That is my little lemon tree. And we've had some struggles, but she's still hanging on. So she will stay out here as well. So let me go ahead and get this stuff started. So I just got to do some really good sweeping and then washing down the porch before I can go ahead and start with the little bit of decor that I'm going to put out. I don't really celebrate Halloween. I like pumpkins, so I may do a pumpkin or something like that, maybe, but mostly it'll just be, you know, some fall decor, very simple, just to celebrate the fall season. Now, have you done your outdoor decorations for the fall or Halloween season? I'm really late this year with doing any type of decorating. Like I said, I don't do a lot because I have a very small outdoor space here in the front, but I do like to put a little something out here. So I'm putting out a couple mums, and I hauled these about a week or so ago from Aldi. I think they were $3.97. I just bought a couple of them, and I'll just put those out here just to add a little bit of color to the front. And I still have some of my summer flowers that are still there, and they're doing well, so I'm going to leave them out there and let them do their thing. All right, so this is it. I told you I wasn't doing a lot. I just put a couple more plants out here, a couple mums, and I've got that other colorful plant there that I saw at Lowe's. I don't even remember the name of it. And then there's Lemonade, my lemon tree sitting there. And then I've got a couple of my faux greenery plants that I keep out here pretty much year round. And so that's it. That's really it. I just added, like I said, a couple mums just to add some color. They're not in bloom just yet, but when the fall season or when the cool weathers come, they should be really pretty. I used a darker burgundy color, so they should look nice. And I've got a couple of the summer flowers that are pink that are still out there in bloom, so it should be a pretty good look once everything comes together. I thank you all so very much for coming by today. I do appreciate the support, and if you are a new visitor to my channel, I hope that you hit the subscribe button, and I hope that you come back again and see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. I am doing Vlogtober, so I have been uploading videos each and every day, and I would love to have you over here. Tomorrow I'll have another video. I have no idea what it's going to be, so it's going to be a surprise to all of us. So make sure you stop back by here and see what that is. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.